So you want to get into affiliate marketing and you're wondering how the heck do you make your very first sale? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in 4 very, very simple steps. I'm going to show you the easy way and I'm going to show you the more advanced way where you can make even more sales. So stick around till the end of this video. Now, it's not a secret that I love affiliate marketing. It literally changed my life. In 2009, I was able to go full time and then I started generating tens of thousands of dollars online and then eventually generated over $1 million in sales. You can see that on the page right now. Now, I don't say that to show off or anything like that or to boast, but to show you that this can be a real game changer. It can literally change your life. It's 100% online, it's 100% digital, and the great thing about affiliate marketing is it's global. Literally, you can be based anywhere in the world and make this work for you. You could be in a tiny island in the French Polynesia, you could be based in China, in India, in the US, in Canada, in Australia, in any part of Europe, any part of Asia. It's such a beautiful business model. But here's the thing, when you don't understand how to do it correctly, it can be pretty complicated. So I'm going to show you over the next few minutes how you can generate your first sales as a brand new affiliate marketer, and I'm going to give you the hack, the little hack that will make it so easy for you to do this that literally you should have no reason to fail. So here we go. Here's how you do it. Step number 1, you need to pick a niche. That's very, very important. Okay, now all a niche is a particular area that you want to sell in. So are you interested in gardening? Are you interested in making music? Are you interested in making money? Are you interested in investing? Are you interested in cooking? Are you interested in yoga? Are you interested in technology products? Literally, you could sell anything you want online, because all affiliate marketing is when you take the link of a product and you recommend it online and somebody else clicks on that link, and when they purchase, you make a commission. That's all affiliate marketing is. And the beauty is that 88% of all retailers around the world have an affiliate program, which means that they can give you the links to their products, and when somebody buys through your link, you make a commission. It's an amazing industry, which is why literally anybody can get started. All right, so just go ahead and pick a niche. Don't overthink this stuff. If you're interested in it, the chances are there'll be a lot of other people that are interested in it too. I've been building businesses online for over a decade and I've tried all sorts of different business models. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, and for me there's still only one favorite way to get to 10,000 US dollars per month. And if you would like to find out exactly what strategy that is, I'd love to share that with you for free. All you need to do is register for the free training below. Click the description box or the comment section and I'll send that directly to your email. All right, step number 2 is within that niche, you now have to find a product, okay? And it's actually very easy to find a product. There's lots of different free affiliate marketing networks. All you need to do is jump onto Google and type out what are the best affiliate marketing networks. That's it, right? And you're gonna find lists and lists of all of these different networks, and there's roughly about 20 to 30 different networks that you can sell from. And then you need to find your niche and then go through that niche and find a product that you wanna sell, okay? And because this video is all about making your very first sale, we're not gonna overcomplicate it, all right? So we're just going to find a very simple product. It could be a $20 product, it could be a $50 product. Any product under $100 will work, all right? So let's not worry about all of the other complicated stuff for now, because we just want you to get your first sale, right? Again, that's what this whole video is about. So anything under $100 will do. Find that product, and then all you need to do is grab the link that's specific to that product, and then you want to keep that handy, okay? Keep that in your back pocket, or better yet, just go ahead and save it onto a notepad on your computer, and we will come back and use that very, very shortly. Now, if for whatever reason you're finding trouble finding a network, there's some very big ones like ClickBank, like JVZoo, like Warrior Plus, like Amazon is a huge network as well, like ShareASale, like Rakuten, just to name a few. But again, if you do your Google research and you do a little bit of homework, you're going to be able to find a lot of great networks that you can sign up for free. Okay, so stay with me for a second, because the next step that I'm going to show you is really the important step to get a lot of eyeballs to your stuff, right? So now you've got a niche, now you've got a product, you've got a link. How do we actually promote that link in the right way so that people will want to actually buy from you? All right, now the thing that you don't want to do is you don't want to paste it all over social media. What you want to do instead is you want to create an interest and an audience that's interested in your particular niche, and then if they really want to check your stuff out, they can. That's a better way of doing it, okay? So don't go onto Facebook and start spamming, all your friends and family. Don't go onto Twitter and start spamming all your friends and family. You don't really want to do that, right? But another way to create an audience from scratch is actually to do it on TikTok. Now, the reason why I like TikTok is because with TikTok, you can literally create a video, and it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have or how much authority you have on your channel. Every single brand new video, even if you're a complete beginner, has the chance of going viral. And that's why their algorithm is so cool and so fun. It's because you can be a nobody, start a channel today, have 0 followers, upload a video that's like 60 seconds long, and that thing could explode to 1 million views. That's the way that social media websites should have their algorithm, but a lot of them don't, which is why TikTok is so cool. So go over to TikTok, create a TikTok account. Now, this is not really a TikTok tutorial. If you want to learn how to do this, you can just go to YouTube and type out, how do I create a TikTok account, right? And I'll show you how to do this. this, you want to add some information in your bio, and a little tip is the name that you name yourself, name it that's something similar to the niche that you want to sell in. All right, so if you're selling fish tackle products, then make sure your name resembles fishing. Okay, if you're going to be selling gardening products, then make sure that your username resembles something around gardening. If you're going to be in the investment space, make sure that your name reflects something that's about investments, right? If that makes sense. Okay, so mine's called Chenpreneur, so it's a little play on entrepreneur and my last name Chen. You know, I'm in the make money from home space. I teach people how to do affiliate marketing, right? So all I would do if I were you is I would start uploading 2 TikTok videos every single day. Now don't worry about the timing or anything like that. You just want to take action, okay? Make 2 videos a day around your specific niche. So if you're trying to sell fishing tackle, make sure that you're creating 2 short, fun, entertaining videos around fishing. That's it. You're just teaching your audience a little bit about how to get the result that they're trying to get. If you're a personal coach and you're trying to sell some sort of weight training program or 6-pack ab program, then the 2 videos that you make every single day should be about how people can get into shape. So whether that's a bicep curl day, or whether it's, you know, how many sit-ups they should do, or what kind of food they should eat. All of these short little videos, as long as you're adding value and you're putting a little bit of fun into it, is really how the TikTok algorithm works. All right, so if you take a look at my channel right here, you know, some videos will be doing in the hundreds, but you'll see some videos doing in the thousands, right? 5,000 views, 2,000 views. We've got one that did 6,000 views here. We've got 25,000 views, 12,000 views here, 4,000 views, 76,000 view video right there. So you can see the power of TikTok. If you're uploading on a regular basis and you're doing something fun around your specific niche, there will be people that are interested in it. Now, the 4th and final step for this to work is you need to grab your affiliate link. Remember, I told you to keep that in your back pocket, right? Or in a notepad. Go ahead and grab that, and you need to change that into a link that doesn't look so ugly. Because what you don't want to do is you don't want to take that ugly affiliate link and stick it on TikTok. You might get in trouble. So go to YouTube and type out how to redirect a link to another link. All right. And if you scroll down, you're going to find a video that says how to redirect domain to ClickBank affiliate link or any affiliate link, right? And in this training, this guy right here is going to teach you how to buy a domain name on a domain registrar, right? And it could be anything. Work with Aaron, work with Bill, work with Sally, or whatever name you decide. It could be around your brand name. And once you bought your domain name, you can literally redirect that domain name to your affiliate link. Okay, so let me show you how that works. Once you've done that, you would stick it in your bio. So this is a domain that I purchased. It's called milliondollar.system.co. And when somebody clicks on this link, it's going to redirect them to my affiliate link or to my affiliate sales funnel, if that makes sense, okay? So what you want to do is you want to have your own branded domain name. That's what it's called, okay? And you want this to redirect to your affiliate link. So the reason why we don't want to stick our affiliate link here is because it's going to be very long, it's going to be very ugly, and TikTok is not going to like that, okay? So you want to, again, find out how to do that. You can just learn how to do that on YouTube. And then once you've done that, you want to stick your branded domain name inside of your profile of TikTok. Now, here's something I should mention. TikTok won't allow you to drop a link here until you have 1,000 followers. But don't freak out, because on TikTok, it's pretty easy to get to 1,000 followers, because if you're uploading 2 to 3 videos a day and just, you know, make them short and fun, it shouldn't take you that much time, and the more you do it, the quicker it's going to be. Is that some of these videos can go viral, and when they go viral, you get a lot of followers really, really quickly. Okay, so don't let that discourage you. Remember that with anything that's worth its salt, requires a little bit of effort and work. Okay, so don't be afraid to do a little bit of work. The more videos you upload onto TikTok, the more will go viral, and the quicker you're going to get to 1,000 followers. And as soon as you get that, you can drop your little link right here. Okay, so what's going to happen then is people are going to watch your videos, and at the end of every single video, just tell them to click the link in your bio. That's it. All right, so just have a little thing that says free training in bio, and people are going to check out your bio. They're going to click on it, and if they're very interested in your particular topic, so let's just say this is a fishing channel, right? They're going to click on this affiliate link, and it's going to lead them to some sort of fishing training or a fishing product on Amazon or whatever it is. And some people will purchase just because you're driving so much volume through TikTok. And this right here is the quickest and easiest way for you to make your very first affiliate sale. I promise you, if you do this and you stick to the plan, you pick your niche, you pick your product, you create your TikTok channel, and you upload 2 TikToks a day, and then you drop your affiliate link masked by a proper domain in your bio, I would be surprised if you don't start making some sales, especially if you're consistent on this. Now, here's where this strategy gets a little bit crazy, okay? Because if you think that making your first affiliate sale is fun and exciting, well, wait till you make your first 10 or 20 or 50 or 100 or 1,000 affiliate sales. That's when it starts to get fun. Now, if you want to do that, your setup needs to be slightly different. It needs to be a little bit more advanced, okay? I didn't want to scare you in the first part of this video because this is all about making your first sale, right? And once you get your first sale, you're going to be driven, you're going to be excited, and you're going to be thinking, all right, Aaron, this is possible now. I know I can make money, so I need the more advanced setup. So I'm going to show you the slightly more advanced setup. I don't want you to get worried about this, but I just wanted to show you in the video what that might look like once you start to make your first sales. So this right here is $1 million setup for affiliate marketing, okay? I know it looks pretty simple, actually. It's just a few boxes and some arrows, but this literally changed my entire life, right? So what we don't want to do after a while is we don't want to lead people directly to the affiliate link. Don't get me wrong, you can make some sales this way. And again, if you want to make your first sales, this is a very simple way to make your first sales. But if you want to start making thousands of sales, if you want to start getting to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,000 US dollars a month, then unfortunately this setup is not going to quite get you there, all right? You want to be able to build a little bit more value. You want to be able to follow up with people, add more trust into your whole process. And the way that you're going to do that is by doing this, okay? So this is how this works. You're going to be driving traffic from TikTok. So that's not going to change. It could be from any method. It could be from YouTube. It could be from Twitter. It could be from TikTok, for example. And all of these people would land on your link. So when somebody clicks on this link right here, instead of this being your affiliate link, it's going to be something called a capture page where you can capture somebody's email. Now, the way that you build all these pages out is using funnel building software like ClickFunnels, like Kartra, like Lead Pages, like Builderall, like GetResponse. There are a lot of different funnel builders that you can use to build these very, very simple pages, all right? So once you've captured somebody's email right here, you would enter that email into what's called an autoresponder. Again, lots of different autoresponders in the market. You can just go ahead and Google it, but I like to use GetResponse, okay? There's other ones like Aweber, like ActiveCampaign, tons of affordable autoresponders in the marketplace, okay? Now, after you capture their email, what you want to do then is you want to send them a series of very valuable trainings using static pages that you would build out with your funnel builder. And in every single day, you would just teach them one idea about the problem that they're trying to solve. That's it. Okay, so in this example, if we're teaching somebody how to lose weight, every single day would be a little idea about how they could lose weight. So day 1 could be a little bit about the types of food you should eat. Day 2 could be a little bit about the different types of exercises they could do. Day 3 could be about calories in, calories out. The 4th day could be, again, about compound exercises. You get the idea, right? But as long as you are teaching your potential prospect one idea and you're giving them an aha moment, this is going to build a lot of knowability, likability, and trustability. And when you can do that, people will buy even more from you, right? So this model right here will get you to your first sales, okay, very, very quickly. And this model right here will get you to your first $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month and more. So don't get too overwhelmed. You can stick to the first method, which is very, very simple. I highly recommend that you take action on it and then be consistent, because the first method to get your first sale is really only 4 steps, right? So once you set up the 4 steps, all you really have to do is just create 2 TikTok videos a day consistently, and that's the word, consistently, and you are guaranteed to make your first affiliate sales. Now, once you start making your first affiliate sales and you want to take it to the next level, then you want to go ahead and set up the more advanced setup that I showed you earlier. Again, it's advanced, but it's not really that complicated, okay? It's actually pretty simple when you learn how to do this stuff properly. But to get to your first sales, very, very simple. Anyone can do this, and you'll realize that once you start making your very first sales in affiliate marketing, that it is really realistic, and you're not going to need a day job anymore, because once you start generating affiliate sales every single day, you will never ever want to work for anyone ever again. And that is the beautiful thing about affiliate marketing, and anybody can do this anywhere in the world. Think about how much your life would change once you're able to sell stuff on the internet all by yourself. That's pretty darn powerful. Now you've controlled your income generating power. You've got that knowledge in your head, and nobody can take that away from you. What kind of life could you live? Could you spend more time with your family? Could you spend more time with your friends? Could you chill out a little bit more? Could you travel the world? Could you now invest your time into passion projects that you really love and want to do? Literally, the world will become your oyster, and that's when you start living an amazing life. So I hope you take this strategy to heart. I hope you enjoyed this video today. And if you want to learn the slightly more advanced strategy and how to do this step by step over the shoulder, I would love to teach you how to do that. I've got a free workshop you can check out. Just go ahead and click the link in the description box, enter your email, and I'll send that training directly to your email for free. See you then. So I hope you enjoyed the video today and you got lots of value from it. You learned a lot from it. If you like content like this, remember to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you know every time we come up with a brand new video. And if you want, you can check out one of the videos I recorded recently. Super fun. You're gonna get a lot of value from it as well, and I hope to see you there. Take care.